The letter of the day, the letter of the day. We can't wait to find out. The letter of the day, the letter of the day, the letter of the day. Today's letter is F. Oh, that's my favorite letter. Of course, Frankie Frog, your favorite letter is F. Yeah, F is for fish, flower, and fireworks. I wish I knew how to draw the letter F. Let's sing today's letter song, and I'll show you how. Start at the top, go down and across the middle. That's how we draw the letter F. Start at the top, go down and across the middle. That's how we draw the letter F. F's for Frankie Frog, F, F, F. Ooh, now let's find my favorite note. Where is Frankie Frog's F? Find the 3 black keys. Frankie Frog's F is the very first white key. The letter of the day, the letter of the day. Today's letter is F, F, F. And the piano key of the day is F, F, F. We found the letter of the day. Hooray!
Check out my 4 white keys. You know what letters they are? First we have F, and then comes G. Next comes A. One more key and you got B. Woohoo! F, G, A, B. My favorite white keys.
How many humps does Alice have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Grab your baby, put them on your lap, and bounce with me. Alice the camel has 5 humps. Alice the camel has 5 humps. Alice the camel has 5 humps. So go, Alice, go. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Giddy up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Giddy up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Giddy up. Alice has 5 humps. But oh no! She lost one. How many does she have? Let's count them. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alice the camel has 4 humps. Alice the camel has 4 humps. Alice the camel has 4 humps. So go, Alice, go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Giddy up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Giddy up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Giddy up. Alice has 4 humps. Oh no! She lost one. How many does she have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Alice the camel has 3 humps. Alice the camel has 3 humps. Alice the camel has 3 humps. So go, Alice, go. Oh no! 1, 2, 3. Giddy up. 1, 2, 3. Giddy up. 1, 2, 3. Giddy up. Alice has 3 humps. But now she lost one. How many does she have? the camel has no humps. Alice the camel has no humps. Now Alice is a horse. Neigh, 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 giddy up. Neigh, 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 giddy up. Neigh, 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 giddy up. Alice is a horse.
Cock-a-doodle-doo! Our directed drawing today is, you guessed it, a rooster. Can you draw a rooster? Roosters are kind of tricky. What do they have? Well, let's see. They've got feathers. Yes. How does a rooster see? Oh, he's got big eyes. How does he eat? He has a beak. Yeah. Do you have a beak? No. Just roosters and birds have beaks, right? What about giblets? Yeah. Gotta have some of those. And roosters have wings so they can fly and flap around. I don't know that roosters fly. I think maybe they do, but yeah, that's a whole nother discussion. What about feet? Roosters have pretty cute looking feet, don't they? Yes, and look at this fancy hairdo, hey? Cock-a-doodle-doo! No wonder roosters say cock-a-doodle-doo, because they're so happy. They like to sing all day long. All right, are you ready to draw a rooster? Let's go. Grab your paper. We're gonna start with a black crayon. Can you find the black crayon? It looks like this. That's right. Okay, my friends, I better look at my rooster while I'm drawing here. We are going to need to draw 2 big eyes. Are you ready? Can you draw a circle, circle, circle? Can you draw a circle? It looks like this. Yeah, 1 eye, 2 eyes. Oh, he needs to have some little eyeballs so that he can see. Oh, Mr. Rooster, you look so handsome. All right, now do you remember, how does the rooster eat? He has a beak. We better give him a beak. Okay, are you ready? A beak looks almost like a triangle. So we're gonna go like this, straight across, down, and down. Oh, there he is. He's so cute. Now remember, what did the rooster have on his head? Lots of feathers. And he has something else important, right? This top part. Oh yes, look at that. It's like a fancy hat. We're gonna draw a fancy hat on our rooster. We're gonna go like this. Meow. There he goes. Now we'll draw one behind there. And we'll draw another one behind there. You did it! Wow! Okay, do you remember? The rooster has something fancy under his chin. His giblets. Let's draw the same shapes underneath. 1, 2. You did it so good! All right, next up. Well, roosters have so many feathers, don't they? But we need to draw his body first. So his head goes around and around. There you go. And then his body goes around and around. You got it! Now, how does Mr. Rooster flap? With his wings, right? We better draw Mr. Rooster some wings. Meow, woo, woo. Oh, look, we got some wiggle waggles. Did you get your wiggle waggles in there? Woo, woo. Oh, wow, he really does look like a rooster, doesn't he? Now what about, how does he walk where he needs to go? We better draw him some feet. He's got skinny legs. There's 1 leg. There's 2 legs. And then he's got the cutest little feet. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. On the bottom. And we're gonna make his feathers look beautiful, okay? We're gonna draw a whole bunch of lines. Line, 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 all around, all those special parts that you drew on his wings. Line, 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 line. Let's go on his wings. Line, 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 line. Line, 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 line. Line, 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 line. Keep going all around his head. Line, 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 line. Line, 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 line. This is a very hairy rooster. Well, he's not hairy, right? He's a feathery rooster. Okay, more feathers, more feathers. Line, 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 line. Now, what color are the roosters? Very special rooster parts. Oh yeah, they are red. Can you find your red crayon? Red crayon, red crayon. Can you find your red crayon? And color with me now. Let's color those special spots red. Here we go. Oh, he is just the most handsomest rooster ever. There we go. We better color under his chin. There we go. Now, what color would you like his beak to be? Could be yellow, could be orange, or maybe you want it gray, just like this rooster. It's up to you. I think I'm gonna color my rooster's beak yellow. And you know what? I think I'm gonna color his feet yellow too. And his legs. There we go. Oh, he looks so good. All right, now there's only just a little bit more to do, right? You can finish coloring him all in, or you can leave him white if you want. But you know what Miss Deb is gonna do? Miss Deb is gonna shade him very, very gently. I'm gonna use a black crayon because I don't have gray. If you have gray, you could use gray instead. But I'm gonna have to be very, very, very gentle. There we go, very gentle, and just shade him in. Shade him in. Maybe you want to leave his belly just a little bit, right? There we go. Oh, yes. My little rooster can't wait to sing. Maybe he's standing in the grass. Should we give him some grass? We could do some zigzags. Zig, 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 zig. Oh, he's got grass. Doodly, 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 dood. Dude. You know what? I'm gonna name my rooster Dude. Dude the rooster. Dude the rooster. There we go, and I'm gonna sign my name, Ms. Deb. Don't forget to take a picture of your rooster and post him in the comments on our Facebook page.
Hooray!